Welcome to this exercise lecture. To maintain focus, avoid distractions, and work at your peak potential, we're going to eliminate some time wasters. This exercise is going to help you identify where you're currently spending your time and then remove the unnecessary time-sucking activities from your day. To do this, download the worksheet and then take 15 minutes to go through your day at the end of every day, and you're going to do this over the next 3 days. So what you're going to do is you're going to write down how much time you're spending in each area. So you're going to look at every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, every hour, however long it takes you to do everything within your business throughout that day, 8 hours. You're going to write that down. Now, I will warn you, this is one eye-opening exercise. Be prepared to gasp in surprise at where and how you're whittling away hours of your day and your week. Now, the great news is the major impact this exercise has on every area of your business. You're going to really free up your time to focus on what matters most, work at your highest and best, and then easily begin to decipher between urgent and important tasks. Not familiar with those terms? Let me kind of break it down for you. First of all, the urgent tasks are what's screaming at you the loudest right now. Now, that could be an email, could be a phone call. The important tasks are those social media tasks that must get done for progress to occur. So, if you stay focused on the important, and that's where you want to keep your focus every single day, this is when exponential growth begins to happen. Now have fun and go complete that exercise.